Very quickly, here are 5 AI tools that every content creator should know and has helped me get these silver play buttons. Number 1, Opus Clip. It's a good way of getting existing videos, cramming them through a funnel and having AI spit out short form videos for you that you can then repost to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, other platforms. 2, Cinema is a fantastic tool that will generate faceless videos for you, but not only in short form, but now long form content as well. It helps you search for existing and trending topics, tell you how advantageous it would be to make videos on that specific topic. You choose a style, it will generate the script for you. You click one button, you wait, and it will spit the video back out for you. It will even allow you to schedule these videos onto multiple platforms, and these can be monetized as well. 3, Jaya. This is a fantastic tool. It live streams 24/7 for you without you needing to leave your laptop or computer on. So you made a lot of videos and you want to generate like a channel that just plays them non-stop. Maybe it's study music, maybe it's rolling advice, motivational things. Or you're a kids channel and you just want to show your episodes over and over and over again. Jaya will do this for you, does all the heavy lifting completely hands-free. 4, CreativeFuel.ai. Are you looking for fantastic titles for your YouTube videos? Maybe you've got some fantastic videos, but you're not quite sure how to blend them into current trends. Creative Fuel help you with one simple click and will even tailor it to your existing audience. 5, Otter AI. If you've got a YouTube Shorts idea and you want it done in a click of a button, faceless videos, this is the way to go. And best thing about it, it doesn't cost the world.